In this video, we are going to see how we can enable or disable the smooth edge of screen fonts so that we can see the fonts more clearly on the Windows 11 computer. So if you want to enable that, here's what you need to do. First of all, we right click on the taskbar and hit the task manager, and we will click on run a new task on our right. And here we will simply write system properties performance. It should be exactly in the same way like I wrote here. Click OK, and then it will open up this performance options. But one more thing, you need to open this with the admin privileges. So you will find the option to check that down here. Anyways, once we have this open, what we want to do is, if this option is disabled, you need to enable this option which says smooth edges of screen fonts. After that, we hit apply and click OK. Close out of here. You might need to restart your computer in order to make this effective, and that is how it works. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.